Learning the alphabet. Kids, do you still remember the letters of the alphabet and their sounds? Okay, let's have a quick review. Letter A sound A as in apple. B sound B as in bee. Letter C sound K as in cat. D sound D as in duck. Letter E sound E as in egg. F sound F as in fish. G sound G as in goat. H sound H as in horse. Letter I sound I as in igloo. J sound J as in jar. K sound K as in kite. Letter L sound L as in lion. M sound M as in mouse. N sound N as in nest. Letter O sound O as in owl. P sound P as in pencil. Letter Q sound K as in queen. R sound R, rabbit. S sound S as in sun. Letter T sound T as in tree. U sound as in umbrella. Letter V sound V, van. Letter W sound W as in well. X sound X, xylophone. Y sound Y as in yacht. And letter Z sound Z, zipper. Again. A sound A, B sound B, C sound K, D sound D, E sound E, F sound F, G sound G, H sound H, I sound I, J sound J, K sound K, L sound L, M sound M, N sound N, O sound O, P sound P, Q sound K, R sound R, S sound S, T sound T, U sound V sound V, W sound W, X sound X, Y sound Y, and Z sound Z. Now it's time for a short challenge. It's thinking time. What is the beginning letter of the word cat? Cat. Right, letter C. How about the fish? Fish. Correct. Letter F. Next is mouse. Mouse. Right. Letter M. B. B. Nice. Letter B. How about the egg? Egg. Correct. Letter E. Next is duck. Duck. Yes. Letter D. Rabbit. Rabbit. Correct. Letter R. Next is sun. Sun. Yes, it's S. Tree. Tree. Correct. Letter T. Umbrella. Umbrella. Right. Letter U. Well. Well. Yes. W. Zipper. Zipper. Yes. Letter Z. And apple. Apple. Right. Letter A. Very good, kids. Thanks for answering the challenge. This star is for you. This is Teacher Grace of Dominic Elementary School. Thanks for watching. Bye!